Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Risya Aziera binti Soekarno. My matrix number 19372013 and I from RY40. In this video, I would like to discuss about our lab season 1. Lab 1 is about OM. Basically, OM have two. It is inverting and non-inverting. Objective for the lab 1 is to demonstrate an inverting operational amplifier circuit, to demonstrate a non-inverting operational amplifier circuit, and to investigate the operational amplifier voltage follower. Okay, we go to A, inverting amplifier. So I will open my multisim. Then in this multisim we can put a component according the circuit that given. Okay. To put a component, we need to choose OM. Just click OM. Choose UA741 as OM. After you choose the component, then connect the junction according to the circuit that given in the lab 1. Then for first one, for inverting amplifier, we need to connect R1 1 kilo ohm and RF 4.7 kilo ohm. After that, click run. Then pause. Okay. In this 4.7 kilo ohm RF, we can get a voltage out negative 4.894 volt. For the voltage gain, we can get by doing a formula V out divided by V in. 4.6894 volt divided by V in 1 volt, we can get gain negative 4.6894. Then repeat the step by changing the resistor into 10 kilo ohm. Okay, I need to change the resistor first. 10 kilo ohm. Then click play. We can see the voltage will increase. Then pause. Okay, for 10 RF 10 kilo ohm, the voltage V out, we can get negative 9.6600 volt. For the gain is negative 9.60. How I get gain? By doing V out over V in. We can get the gain negative 9.66. Then change the RF to 30 kilo ohm. 30 kilo ohm. 30 kilo ohm. Then click play. Note that the voltage the phase are clipping because it exceeding the limitation of voltage. We check. This one. Okay. Should be is negative 15, but for 30 kilo ohm, its limit it exceeds the value of voltage, so the phase are clipping. Is that all for inverting amplifier? Next, we go to non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting OM, we can know whether the OM is inverting or non-inverting. For the non-inverting, the supply is at positive terminal. In non-inverting, we repeat the step inverting, which is RF is 4.7 kilo ohm. Then if we run, we can get the output start with a positive signal. So for the V out, we get 5.4240 volt. Then repeat the step by replacing RF 4.7K into 10 kilo ohm. 10 kilo. Then run. After that, we get V out is positive 10.499 volt. Then change into 33 kilo ohm. 33 kilo ohm. Then run again. Show that the signal is clipping because the voltage have a limitation in 15 volt, so it have a clipping. In inverting OM, we use formula AV equal to negative RF over R1. Why negative here? Because in the inverting circuit, the connection is supply is connected with a negative. Then the formula of AV is negative RF over R1. For 4.7 kilo ohm, we get negative 4.7 for the gain, and the output voltage is negative 4.7 volt. For 10 kilo ohm, AV is negative 10. For output voltage is negative 10 volt. For RF, negative 33. Output voltage negative 33. An inverting amplifier, the circuit was connected with a positive supply. Terminal positive is connected with a positive supply. So the RF equal to 4.7 kilo ohm. We get AV 5.7. Output voltage is 5.7 volt. For the RF 10 kilo ohm, we get 11 for AV, and the output voltage is 11 volt. So the question here, why the output waveform has been clipped? The output waveform has been clipped is because the exceeding the input and also the limitation in the power supply or the output stage. Number 2, why it is called an inverting amplifier? It called an inverting amplifier because the supply signal a negative terminal that apply to resistor to be inverting input. Number 3, why it's called a non-inverting amplifier? The input signal with a positive phase. The positive terminal is supplied with a positive alternating current. What does non-inverting mean? If a sine wave is connected to the operational amplifier positive terminal, the input voltage are applied directly to the non-inverting positive, which means that the output gain of the amplifier become positive. After completing this lab season, students be able to demonstrate an inverting operational amplifier circuit and also non-inverting operational amplifier circuit by using a software multisim and know the function of what and know difference between inverting and non-inverting. Then students also be able to investigate the operational amplifier voltage follower. That's all for me. Thank you.